If you suffer from chronic sinus infections, facial pressure, or nasal congestion that never seems to go away, you're not alone. These symptoms can make everyday life miserable, especially when medications and home remedies don't provide lasting relief. At Capital ENT and Sinus Center, we offer a safe, minimally invasive solution called balloon sinuplasty. This in-office procedure is designed to open blocked sinus passageways and restore normal drainage without the need for traditional surgery. Here's how it works. Using a thin, flexible catheter, we guide a small balloon into the sinus openings. Once in place, the balloon is gently inflated, expanding the sinus passageways and helping to restore normal airflow and drainage. After the sinuses are opened, the balloon is deflated and removed. There is no cutting and no removal of bone or tissue. The entire procedure typically takes less than an hour, and most patients return to their normal activities within a day or two. What patients love most about balloon sinuplasty is the lasting relief it brings. You can finally breathe easier, sleep better, and experience fewer sinus infections, without the long recovery times of traditional sinus surgery. If you're ready to stop living around your sinus symptoms, we're here to help. Schedule a consultation today and find out if balloon sinuplasty is the right option for you.